Good day, everyone. This is Cheer Rose, and I am here to help you in solving different math problems. And ang lesson natin ngayon is all about arithmetic sequence. So una, ano nga ba itong tinatawag nating arithmetic sequence? So ang arithmetic sequence ay isang uri ng sequence o pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga bilang kung saan may pare-parehong dagdag o bawas sa kasunod na termino. At ang dagdag or bawas na yon ay tinatawag nating common difference. So, halimbawa ng sequence natin ay 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, dito sa sequence na to, para malaman natin kung arithmetic siya, kailangan nating hanapin si D or yung common difference natin sa pamamagitan ng pag-minus nitong naunang termino dito sa kasalukuyang termino. So, we have here the first term. Si 2 ay ating first term. Si 4 ang second term. Si 6 ang third term, si 8 ang fourth term, si 10 ang fifth term. So, sa sequence na to, meron tayo dyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Pag nakuha natin si D, para kunin siya, we have the second term or A sub 2 minus the first term which is A sub 1. So, we will denote the first term as A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, and A sub 5. So, ang second term natin dito ay si 4. So, we will have 4 minus, ang first term natin ay si 2. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So, ibig sabihin ng common difference ni si 2 at 4 ay 2. Now, kailangan pa rin natin kunin ang common difference ng third term at ng second term. So, we will get 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng D. We have 8 minus 6. The answer is also 2. 10 minus 8. Also 2. And mapapansin natin na pare-parehas yung kanilang difference pag pinag-minus sila, kaya masasabi natin na ito ay arithmetic sequence. Another example, halimbawa ang sequence natin ay 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So pag minusin natin, 10 minus 5, we will get 5. 15 minus 10, we will get 5. 20 minus 15, also 5. 25 minus 20, the answer is 5. Since pare-parehas sila, ibig sabihin, ito yung D natin, common difference, ito ay arithmetic sequence. Another is 1, 3, 6, 11. Okay, so ito yung sequence natin. 1, 3, 6, 11. So, kung kunin natin ang common difference para malaman natin kung siya ba ay arithmetic sequence. 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. 11 minus 6, the answer is 5. O kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya pare-pareho, so ibig sabihin, hindi po ito arithmetic sequence. Now, sa pagsasolve ng arithmetic sequence, gumagamit tayo ng arithmetic sequence formula. So, we have A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. Wherein, si A sub n natin, this is the nth term or kahit anumang termino sa isang sequence. We have A sub 1, ito yung first term natin o yung unang term, first term. N is the term number o kung ilang number yung nasa sequence. Then, we have the D, which is the common difference. Now, let us try it in solving an arithmetic sequence. So, try natin yung kaninang example natin, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, let's say, for example, hahanapin natin yung pang 10th term. So, ano yung pansampung term, pansampung number dito sa sequence? So, gagamitin natin itong formula na to. Pero bago yun, hanapin muna natin yung mga given. So, ang hanapin natin ay si A sub 10, pangsampung term. So, siya yung missing. Ang A sub 1 natin, yung first term, which is 2, yung pinakauna. Ang ating N is, eto, yung 10. And ang ating D ay makukuha natin sa pamagitan ng pag-minus yung kanina. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now, meron na tayong given. Let us write the formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. So, papalitan lang natin yung mga A sub 1 dyan, yung mga variables natin, papalitan lang natin ng mga given natin. Magsasubstitute lang tayo. So, magiging A sub 10 to since ang value ng n natin is 10 or yung hinahanap natin, ang A sub 1 natin is 2 plus ang n natin ay 10 minus 1 times ang D natin ay 2. Now, copy A sub 10, bring down 2 kasi sisimplify muna natin to. So, 10 minus 1 is 9 times 2. A sub 10 is equal to 2 plus 9 times 2 is 18. Simplify. Add 2 to 18, 2 plus 18, the answer is 20. Ibig sabihin, yung pang 10 term dito sa sequence na to ay 20. Another is, halimbawa naman ang hanapin natin is yung pang 50th term. Siyempre, medyo mahirap na to kung magmamano-mano tayo pag-a-add ng 2 dito kasi medyo malaki na yung value ng n natin or malaki na yung hahanapin natin. So, again, write the given. Ang A sub 1 natin, same pa rin. We have 2. Ang n natin, since ang hinahanap natin ay 50th, so ang n natin ay 50. And ang D natin is also 2. Ang hahanapin natin ngayon ay si A sub 50, yung pang 50 na number sa sequence. Okay, write the formula again. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. Substitute the given values sa formula natin. A sub 50, since ang value ng n natin is 50, ang A sub 1 ay 2, plus ang n natin is 50 minus 1 times ang value ng D natin is 2. Okay, bring down. A sub 50 is equal to 2 plus 50 minus 1 is 49 times 2. A sub 50 is equal to 2 plus 49 times 2 is 98. A sub 50 is equal to 2 plus 98. The answer is 100. So, ang 50th term ng sequence natin is 100. Another example, ang ating sequence ay 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So, tingnan natin kung siya ay arithmetic sequence. 20 minus 10, the answer is 10. 30 minus 20, the answer is 10. 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. And 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. And since pare-parehas sila na 10, ang common difference, ibig sabihin siya ay arithmetic sequence. Now, hanapin natin halimbawa yung pang 15th term. Ano, hanapin natin yung pang 15 na term dito sa sequence. So, find A sub 1. Ang A sub 1 natin ay yung first term, which is 10. Ito yung nasa unahan. Ang n natin is 15. Kasi 15, pang 15 yung hinahanap natin. Ang D natin is yung 10, common difference. At ang hinahanap natin ay yung pang A sub 15. Again, write the formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. Substitute lang natin. A sub 15 is equal to, ang A sub 1 natin ay 10, plus ang n natin ay 15 minus 1 times D, which is 10. So, we have A sub 15 is equal to 10 plus 14. 15 minus 1 is 14 times 10. A sub 15 is equal to 10 plus 14 times 10 is 140. Now, ipag-add lang natin. Ang A sub 50 natin is 10 plus 140 is equal to 150. Sana nakatulong sa iyo itong video ko, and for more educational videos about math, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. See you next video!